Hey, what's up? Danny Heisock with Call One and Hello Direct, helping people do their business better. So in this video, we're going to show you how to take the Shokz Opencomm2 UC Loop 110 dongle, place it into pairing mode, and then we can pair it to the Shokz Opencomm2 UC headset. So stay tuned. All right, so first you want to take the Loop 110 dongle and plug it into your computer via the USB port. Then you want to locate the multifunction button, press it and hold it down until it's blinking blue and red. Now it is in pairing mode. Next you want to take your Opencomm2 UC headset, hold the plus button to turn it on and keep holding it until it goes into pairing mode, and the little light will blink blue and red just like the dongle, and then you will hear Audrey say PC connected. Alright, so there you go. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.